This is going to be a firearms tour at Coastal Grandmall in Myrtle Beach. Here we have a Wheelock RSS. I believe that's a chime strobe. Yes, my battery's running low, so I do have to make this quick. Oh wait, I got it. There could be something else. And there's, yeah, I got it. There's a fire alarm box right in there. And you know what? I think those are the machines. And could there be anything else? I'm doing this fire alarm tour. Right here we have another Wheelock chime strobe. Another Wheelock RSS chime strobe. Then in this restroom, yet another Wheelock RSS chime strobe. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, there's a Wheelock RSS chime strobe, and the pull stations back in belts are the rack rooms right here. Well, yeah, there are security cameras everywhere.
Oh, I know.
Yep, security cameras everywhere.